Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text in Lucidchart. Adding text is essential for labeling shapes, creating diagrams, and making your charts clear and professional. First, open your Lucidchart document or start a new one. Once inside, select the shape or object where you want to add text. Next, simply double-click on the shape. A text cursor will appear, allowing you to type directly inside the shape. You can enter labels, titles, or any descriptive text you need. If you want to add standalone text, click the Text tool from the left-hand toolbar. Then, click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. This text box can be moved and resized as needed. To customize your text, use the Properties bar at the top. You can change the font, size, color, alignment, and even add bold or italic styles. Finally, click outside the shape or text box to save your changes. Your text is now part of your Lucidchart diagram and will stay linked to the shape or remain as a standalone element. And that's it. Adding and customizing text in Lucidchart is quick and easy, helping you create clear and professional diagrams in no time. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming!